Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go and take a look into my BoxyCharm. As you've noticed, this one is a little bit bigger. So BoxyCharm has the monthly subscription of the regular BoxyCharm, but then it also has a subscription to what they call Boxyluxe, a bigger version of the regular monthly subscription with a lot more goodies inside. So this is my monthly subscription for September, and this is definitely the Boxyluxe. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. So here it is open. Now the monthly subscription will always give you a breakdown of what is inside the box and how much the retail price goes for each item. So the first item I have in my box is a Sutra Clipless Curling Iron, which I believe it's basically like a wand. So yes, it is a wand, and the wand is about 1.25 inches thick. So I am excited to check this out to see how it works. I do have another wand, but it's much fatter than this one. So I'm excited for this one because I was looking for one that was a little bit more thinner to give me smaller curls. Next item I have is the Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. So it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by Botanic Balancing Complex to balance skin's natural occurring floral. Okay. Next item I have is the Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. How adorable this is. So reveal poreless, translucent, and illuminating glass skin with brightening pineapple. This lightweight liquid is formulated with 3 types of vitamins C, including 22% pure pineapple juice. I'm excited to try this one. It's just 1 or 2 drops on clean skin and gently pat into the skin for optimal absorption. Next thing we have in the box is IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh down your hair, and it has coconut oil in it. I definitely want to try this because I'm trying a lot of new different things for my hair. Stuff that would hydrate my hair, things that would cause it less damage, less breakage. I do tend to get a lot of split ends, so I'm testing a lot of different products just to see what works best for my hair. So I really want to try this hair balm, and I'll let you guys know how that works. Next thing I have in here is Hank & Henry Slick Witted Eyeliner. It says Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. It's in the color Blickity Black. We also have Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Rubino. This is a really pretty color. Let's swatch it and see. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's really bright. So it's more towards the warming tones. This is a nice color for fall, now that we're getting into fall. Although here in Florida, the seasons, you really can't tell when they change unless the temperature drops dramatically, but I still love to go with the season. So this is definitely a really pretty color. I'm assuming it's matte. Oh yes, creamy matte full coverage liquid lipstick. Long lasting color, stays in place for up to 6 hours of continuous wear. It's weightless, color rich formula, will not bleed or transfer. I definitely need to test out this theory. It won't bleed or transfer. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil to help hydrate and nourish lips. Love that, because I'm always biting my lips and my lips always tend to get dry. And we have an Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. Here are the colors. really pretty colors. I want to swatch some. I want to swatch this green, this plum berry, and this gold color. They look really cute here. Let me see. So here are those colors. These are really pretty colors. You see, right now I have no eye makeup on because I did want to test some of these and see what was in my box. So I think I'm gonna try first the plum berry, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the pink color here and just see how it looks. I'm just gonna place it all over my lid. It's really easy to blend. It's smooth. There's not a lot of fallout, which I love. Actually, it doesn't seem like it has any fallout. So that's always good. And it's a really pretty color. So this is the plum berry, which is kind of the purplish. And you just need to tap it a little bit because it does pick up a lot of product. So it is really pretty. Let me try the pink color. Just because I'm wearing a little bit of pink. Just gonna add that pink on the lid. Get it with my fingers. Get into the inner corner of my eye because of my nails, but it's really pretty. I like all the colors. They seem to have very good pigment, and these seem to go very well with fall that it's coming, so it's good. You'll be able to get multiple looks from this palette, so that's good. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials. And I think we have one more item in here. And it's the Parquet Princess from Tarte. And I believe this is a contour highlight palette, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful packaging. Love it. Look at these colors. Oh my god. These are really pretty. So yeah, it's basically contour. Give yourself some highlights, and you can contour with these if you just want a little bit of contour. Chisel Like Diamond. A really beautiful palette. Can't wait to try this one. So basically this is all that is in the Boxyluxe. I got a total of maybe 8 products. And the good thing about the BoxyCharm and the Boxyluxe is that you're getting full-size products. So I got a total of 8 products. The Violet Voss palette runs for $29. The Dr. Brandt sleeping mask runs for $52. The Hank & Henry eyeliner is normally $20. The Stila liquid lipstick, $22. Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette is $45. The Glow Recipe pineapple is $49. Sutra curling iron is $65, and IGK Mistress Balm is $29. So you're definitely getting your money's worth on these boxes. And that's pretty much it for this video. Please comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you all so very much for your love and support. Bye.